Hello, in this tutorial I would like to show you how you can export small file videos in Premiere Pro. Open your Premiere Pro, then go to File, Export Media. Make sure your format is in H.264. Then you can go to your preset. In Premiere Pro we have lot of presets. Come to your frame rate, then here you will change the format NTSC to PAR. After changing that, then you come to your profile, you come to your bitrate encoding. Here you can see the megabyte size. Here you can reduce the megabyte. You make sure your megabyte is in 16 megabytes. You can leave it in 30 megabytes anyhow. Then you reduce this. Then the next thing is you name your project. After naming your project, you save it. Then after saving it, you export. Thank you for watching this video. I do really appreciate your support. See you in the next video.